Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming Visual Studio 2022 is installed and updated. This ensures compatibility. Once done, locate the solution, SLN or the VB, NET project folder on disk, and make a quick backup copy so you can revert if needed. Make sure to note whether the project uses any external NuGet packages or SDKs. You'll restore them after opening. Now launch Visual Studio 2022 and prepare to open the solution directly. This is the fastest way to begin. You choose File, then Open, then project/solution and pick the SLN file. Visual Studio will load all projects in the solution. If the IDE prompts to retarget frameworks or upgrade project components, accept the recommended options unless you need a specific older target. Once loaded, open Tools NuGet Package Manager Manage Solutions packages to restore missing packages automatically. If build tools or SDKs are missing, the error list will show actionable links. Follow them to install components and try a rebuild. You now build the solution with Ctrl+Shift+B and read the error list to prioritize fixes. Compile errors usually reference missing references or mismatched frameworks. Once the build succeeds, right-click the intended startup project and choose Set as Startup Project, then press F5 to run or debug. If you hit persistent issues, close Visual Studio, delete bin and obj folders, reopen, and restore NuGet packages again. This clears stale binaries. One troubleshooting tip: if a package fails, check the output for.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.